book. We are making our Hocus Pocus book out of brownies. I'm gonna show you guys how easy and fun it is. Welcome back to Shilly's Bakes Cakes. To make our Hocus Pocus brownie. It's so easy, you guys. I'm just doing this quick video to show you how easy this really is. All I did is baked up some brownies. I baked them up from a box. Yeah, I baked box brownies and it was super easy. Okay, and then once they're baked, I popped them in the freezer in the pan and let them chill really well. And then I just got a hot knife and I cut through the brownies and they cut out beautifully so they look, you know, nice and clean so we can make them into Winifred Sanderson's book. Okay, sorry. All right. Okay, so easy peasy. All we're gonna do is just put our brownies in front of us, and I just got some brown buttercream, and then we're just using my little tiny round tip. I think it's a number 3, and it's just a tiny little tip. If you don't have this tiny little tip, you can just cut a little bit off the end of your piping bag, and that should work just as well. Now I'm just gonna pipe some cute squiggles to make it look like a book. You can see I'm just gonna do a squiggle first. Then we're gonna go straight down and we're gonna just kind of go across, make a little train track. Then we're gonna add the eyeball, because what is book without his eye? And we're gonna add the eyeball, then we'll do a little circle of buttercream around the eyeball. We'll just make a few little dots here and there, a little line here, and 2 lines at the end. And there you have it, you guys. That easy, so easy, and they look so cute. Like, they really are kind of my favorite. I mean, look at that. So cute and so fun and really so delicious because it's brownies and it's Hocus Pocus style. Thanks so much for watching here as we made book Hocus Pocus style. Make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys, and have an awesome day.